this is part 4 of me getting ready because I'm a yapper. Stop coming off. That part always. I also got this from Five Below. Five Below's a minor. I need to desperately brush my hair out. Boom, that's all done. Oh yeah, I need to brush my teeth. Let's use this lotion stuff. Yay. This stuff makes me smell way too strong. It smells like rice and salt. Like beach wise. Beach wise. Okay, I'm gonna go brush my teeth.